EaglePicher Technologies, a superpower in battery technology. EaglePicher is uniquely qualified to provide power. We can connect technology to manufacturing. We understand the full spectrum. We start with chemistries, develop cells, build batteries, and have American manufacturing. With 100 years of battery history, we tackle mission-critical power challenges. EaglePicher supports industries with mission-critical applications. We are a leading supplier of missile batteries. We hold approximately 85% of the U.S. market. As the leading provider of thermal battery systems to the Department of Defense, EaglePicher supplies power for the majority of the U.S. military's missile and precision-guided munition systems. EaglePicher became a battery supplier to the U.S. government in the 1940s when we supplied our first battery for a military Navy application. Our products are used in defense systems such as missiles, torpedoes, and advanced programs, including directed energy weapons, hypersonic systems, and unmanned underwater vehicles. Whatever the requirement, EaglePicher has the solution to power your military application. EaglePicher's space heritage dates to the earliest days of the U.S. space program, when we powered the first U.S. satellite. EaglePicher has supplied batteries for more space missions than any other company. Our space batteries have powered launch vehicles, satellites, space research missions, and manned and unmanned missions. EaglePicher developed and manufactured the first lithium-ion battery ever used in military aviation for the B-2 bomber. Whether it is 2 batteries for a Mars rover or 2 million cells for aviation, EaglePicher will always rise to meet the individual demands of our customers. EaglePicher has a long history of battery development for the medical industry. We developed and manufactured the first human implantable lithium-ion battery and the world's smallest implanted battery. The EaglePicher team is based solely in North America and focuses on the development and manufacturing of power solutions. EaglePicher's domestic manufacturing footprint provides us the ability to conduct rapid prototyping. We have advanced automation manufacturing facilities and scalable automated production lines. Thank you for joining us. For more information, visit www.eaglepicher.com.